sure doesn't sound right. Let's see. Yeah, I can hold it. Well, today on What's Next Garage, it's washing machine repair, and how I hate washing repair about as much as I hate installing an in-wall dryer vent. This washing machine is a Maytag with commercial technology, and it's a model, can't see shit. So this thing decided it makes a clunky noise. Let's see if we can duplicate it. Alright, let me put it on drain and spin. Put it on drain and spin. See that? That was it. It said, forget it, I'm not doing it. Oh, here we go again. Oh, now it's, well, at least it's pumping water. That sure doesn't sound right. Let's see. Yeah, I can hold it. See how good it spins? I would say there's something stripped out in there. I shouldn't be able to stop that. Yeah. I just want to keep pumping out the water. Good. There we go. Why would it just stop? It's doing a lot of pumping, but there's no water coming out. And this one we had to cheat the switch because we fill it up. Because this stupid thing is high efficiency and it only uses a thimble full of water for a large load. Lid is locked. Don't want to let me do. Won't let me do nothing. I want to cancel it. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Cancel. There we go. Okay. Today, on What's Next Garage, I really want to throw this away, cut it into tiny pieces with the Sawzall, but my wife is on vacation and she wants to make the decision on a washing machine, so I gotta fix it. Stick around. Here we go. Okay, now that we got this rig pulled out, I'm gonna tip it back. I think there's a what do they call it? This could fall. A splutch or a clutch or something crazy like that under here. So let's go under here and see what the devil's going on. We're gonna work under there on this mouse trap. So there's some stuff under there. We got hardware there. I'm gonna go get a light and some tools, and that's the problem with having a shop outside. I don't have the tools here. So I think we'll get some nut drivers and what's on there? And the light, and hope that this mouse trap doesn't fall on my head. Okay, hold on, stand by. Now look at those beautiful Braun magnet lights, aren't those cool? All right, so I'm getting after this thing right here, so we want to take those off. And we're just gonna have to move quick if this be, oh, what a grab, 8mm. Going back there? Oh yeah, right there. I wonder if I could be quick enough to get out of the way. I doubt I'll be quick enough. It'd be a cool video though, hey? Me getting squashed. Okay. So let's go a little deeper here now. Take the belt off. Okay. That's the motor. Oh, I mean this one. That clutch in there seems okay. I think my problem is more here. That should spin the motor, and it doesn't. I think this is it. This motor. I'll get my head out of there. So 1, 2, them 2 big bolts. And I brought some big bolt tools. What size? Not that size. 13 millimeter. Loose 13. Oh, who cares? It'll come off. Wouldn't be standard. Would it be standard? Who knows? I sure do like that light. Okay, ready? Begin. Okay, pull this guy out of there. It's got little teeth on there to hold that on. Get that to pry off of there. Oh, there we go. Oh, sure. Okay. So you see the splines? And you can see on here, splines are gone. Alright, so I got to get this little pulley. Yeah, so he should probably be splined on there better. Okay, that's the problem. We'll just get the new pulley. The problem is the splines on this motor are all gone inside this little pulley. So I just got to get this little pulley. The problem... I sent that to my wife. That was a wife message. Alright, well, it looks like I could set this down safely. Oh, look at your plug. Yuck. Okay. Not exactly the most horrible job in the world. Pretty easy so far. Alright, so I guess that wasn't so bad. Could be actually worse. Motor looks in good shape. We'll get back after this when we get the pulley. Stick around. We'll be back. So the motor goes right in there, and there's the wiring harness. Alright, let's get that motor out of the box here. It is packaged pretty spectacularly. See, that they make you buy this whole motor just for that dang pulley. Alright, let's get it put up there. Enough crying. The wiring harness plugged in. Now my wife is making me take the washing machine out of here so she can wash that pan. I guess that's the difference between guys without OCD and wives with OCD. Alright, that's it. This job is done. I will come back when we are giving it a test. Everything is fixed for agitating the clothes. We do supplement our water because of this stupid high efficiency washing machine. Never fills it up full enough. It wants to agitate all these clothes in a thimble full of water. Alright, that's going to do it for this episode of What's Next Garage. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.